What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another try on haul video. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you never miss a future upload of mine. Oh, this hair is a mess. Like I mentioned, today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova Curve try on haul, but it is all workout wear or athleisure clothing. There is nothing better. You cannot convince me otherwise. There is nothing better than a good athleisure outfit where you are so comfortable but so cute. You can lounge around at home and then be like, yo, I want to go run a quick errand. Out the door we go, don't even have to change. It is just the best. So that's what this haul is going to be all about. I got some adorable things and I can't wait to show you. All of these will be linked down in the description box below as always, as well as my deets, my height, my weight, my measurements. So I know when I watch YouTube, I love like finding someone who has like a similar body shape than me and then kind of like comparing like what size I should get. It's just super helpful. So if you guys are interested in that, it's down in the description box as well. All right, without further ado, I think it's time to get on into this haul. All right, guys, we're starting off with a banger, and this is a workout wear outfit. It's a two-piece set, and the first thing it comes with are these black workout leggings, and they are the most like subtle leopard print. They're so pretty. I'm someone who doesn't like super loud prints on the bottom, so it's super subtle, which is something I really love. I got mine in a 2X. Usually I size up in bottoms because I am bigger on the bottom half, but I decided to kind of just stick with the normal size, and I'm glad I did because even the 2X is a little bit loose on me. I wish I would have gone down to a 1X, but they're like really thin, lightweight, but also like not see-through. I don't know how that's possible. I will say the only thing about the bottoms that I wish was different is that this like waistband is like folded over and sewn, but I wish they would have run some like thick elastic through the waistband, because I know when I run, these are gonna slip right on down. So I think for now, these will be more of just running errands or hanging around the house, but these are the bottoms, and then it comes with the cutest freaking top. I actually took pictures of this for Instagram because it's just so cute. It is a little crop top. This one I think I sized up. I got a 3X in this one because I didn't want like, I don't like it when it's like super constricting up top, especially when I'm working out. It is a long sleeve crop, like I said, and it has this really cool mesh detailing on the left shoulder, and it goes all the way like to your back. It is so freaking cute, you guys. There is literally nothing I would change about this workout top. I love everything about it, and I also love that there are holes in the arms for your thumbs. So if you're someone who loves a good thumb hole, this is definitely a really great option. The next set is another workout wear set, and this is just a plain black set. It comes with, of course, the workout leggings, and this one, I kind of like it because the waistband is so super thick. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but that has to be like 6, 7, maybe even 8 inches of waistband. Once again, same thing. I did get these in a 2X. Wish I would have sized down to a 1X, or at least I wish they would have run a thick elastic through the waistband. I've noticed I actually got 3 pairs of like workout leggings from them, and all of them are the same. So I really wish in the future they get like some thicker elastic. That way it holds it up on our waists. But for being a 2X, I feel like I would have gone down to a 1X, honestly, but I still loved the way these looked on me. I loved the way they fit, and these are gonna be my new like go-to pair of like yoga pant legging type of pants, because that's pretty much all I freaking wear nowadays. I mean, those pants came with, well, it didn't come with, you got it separately, so you could opt out of getting the top or opt out of getting the bottoms, but I paired it with the matching top, and it is this short sleeve. Sorry, I should have had this prepared. It's this short sleeve crop. I got this in a 3X. Once again, I sized up just because I just like a little bit more room up top. Gotta be able to breathe. So this is a cropped top, but it is longer than that previous crop. And then the back is open, has a really pretty design. Absolutely love this, and I could definitely see myself working out in this. All right, last item for workout wear is a pair, once again, of workout pants. Super stretchy leggings. It's the same material as the other two. Once again, I wish they would have run elastic through the waistband. I got these in a 2X, and this is a super subtle, almost like army print, but it's just black and like a super dark gray. So these were super comfortable as well, and can't wait to wear them. So I'm all into the tie-dye, like two-piece like sweatpants sets. I am so into them, and I thought I was ordering that, but in fact, I ordered just the top. It's like, are you kidding me? So this is the top. Needless to say, it's freaking adorable. It's a cropped hooded sweatshirt, and it's the super pretty like light blue, dark blue tie-dye. So beautiful. I got this oversized as well. I picked this up in a 3X, and it does have like elastic here down at the bottom. Honestly, gonna get on and order the bottoms to match it, because it's like, you can't just have half of a two-piece set, come on. Then I got a two-piece Windbreaker set, and I'm typically not a huge fan of Windbreaker material just because it's not stretchy whatsoever. Never have been a fan of it because I just feel like it never quite fit me right. But this one I think is super cute, and I would actually wear it. Like, it's not ill-fitting, I guess I should say. It fits me really well, and it's not like, I just sometimes feel like with certain Windbreaker materials I like cannot breathe and I get sweaty, and it's just like not a good look. So this one actually fit me really well. It's this black and pink Windbreaker pant, and it is like a breakaway pant, so they unsnap all the way down the side. It is a drawstring, and overall these fit great. I got these in a 3X due to the fact that it is Windbreaker material. And I thought that was definitely a good choice. If I would have gotten a 2X, I don't think it would have fit. Then to go with that, I got this half zip, light pink and black Windbreaker material, of course. Cropped top, jacket, sweater. I love anything half zip. Like, if you know me, I love crew necks and half zips. They're just something about them, I just love them. I feel like I can like breathe. This is also in a 3X, and it has a like drawstring down here at the bottom, so you can cinch in your waist or you can leave it loose. It's up to you, but thought this was super cute, and together the set is adorable. Okay, this next one brings back so many memories of when I was younger and reminds me so much of my grandma. In a good way though, because I feel like when I was younger, I was obsessed, and I mean obsessed, with the two-piece like velour zip-up sets. I mean, I had them in every color. I have a picture of myself somewhere the day I took my behind the wheel test to get my driver's license, and I was wearing a hot pink one. I just loved them. And then I got my grandma hooked on them. So my grandma and I would just rock our two-piece velour sets all around town. We knew we were bad bitches. So I had to pick one up just for old time's sake. This is in a deep maroon color. It's just your typical like sweatpants, stretchy velour pant, and then has gold detailing, which I really like. This is what the top looks like. Once again, the gold detailing just sealed the deal for me. I love gold, and it's just so stretchy, so comfortable. The only thing I will say is this is a little bit more of a cropped jacket. So if you wear it all the way zipped up, it kind of has, at least on my body shape, a little bit of poof here from this zipper, kind of like that, sticking out. But you could also wear it unzipped and it would be totally fine. It wouldn't even be cropped, I don't think, if you unzipped it. Needless to say, it's still adorable, and like I said, it reminds me of my grandma, and anything that reminds me of her is a keeper. That velour set, by the way, was in a size 3X. Next up, another two-piece set. This is a black and like olive green, forest green two-piece set. This is not that typical hot sweatpant material. So it's a little bit more cooling, but it is, I just want to say honestly, it's like cotton, like that's it. Super stretchy, has an elastic waistband, has pockets, which is nice, and has elastic down at the ankles. And then this one came actually with a tank top. So I think that if it's like a cold day, I feel like it would be so cute to just throw on like a black jacket over this. I don't know, I think it would be cute. This is the little cropped tank top. Once again, black and olive green to match the pants. Such a cute set, and I got this in a 3X. All right, you guys, last one is one of my favorites. It is a black and white two-piece set. So first thing, once again, I feel like everything has been crop tops, but I just really love crop tops. It is a cropped sweatshirt, and half of it is black, half of it is white, and then it comes with just basic sweatpants. but once again, half is black and half is white, and I like it because the black and the white are on the opposite side. So how freaking cute is that? It has a super thick elastic band at the waist, as well as at the ankles, and also it has pockets. So that's a huge win for me. Made of super good material, like thick, luscious. I'm in love. Once again, I got pictures of this that will be going up on my Instagram. I'm not sure if it's up yet, but if not, it will be soon. So keep an eye out for that. All right, you guys, that was pretty much it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have so many more video ideas and hauls coming up, so definitely stay tuned. And like I said, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. It would be greatly appreciated. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.